Grazie per essere passato di qui per il piacere di Moto Guzzi. G'day, welcome and thank you. It's Sunday and I want you to come along with us and enjoy this passion and scenery with Moto Guzzi.
If you do get mismothered, then get into the fly whale cabin for lunch.
Many of us remain on Sunday for another fantastic ride. We're going to head south out of Alexandra on this beautiful fine day on board our Moto Guzzis and stay around because we are going to be putting these Moto Guzzis on something else that's going to take them for a ride rather than us taking them for a ride. You won't want to miss this one. It is epic. It's a fabulous ride going down through the Clutha region, down the river, south of Alexandra. We turned off at Roxburgh Dam to head across the dam, but we got a bit run around and went the wrong way, but that's okay. We're heading across the Roxburgh Dam so that we can head down the eastern side of the Clutha River, which is a beautiful, scenic, quiet backcountry road, which is just perfect for chilling and taking in just the beauty of riding and enjoying being aboard your bike with other people and heading down here. It's just delicious. This area is massively well known for wine, fruit and gold. But let's not forget the roads. The thing I really enjoy about getting on the bike and riding places like this and just taking in the different scenery from where you are when you're living at home is just the vastness of New Zealand as a small country even, and the massive change and difference in different areas within such a small area is really something that we probably take for granted massive. These rolling hills, gullies, valleys, greenery and trees and farmland, it's just magic. closing in on our first destination. There is only one of these, I believe, operating in New Zealand, and there may only be, this is the only one in the Southern Hemisphere operating. So it's pretty damn special, pretty historic, and pretty amazing that it's still working after all of these years. Gather on the side of the river. Some either took the wrong turn or they took the right turn and went down the other side of the river and come across to us. Some others got lost in Lawrence, but we all ended up here at the right spot to make a crossing on this historic punt. The punt is secured by a couple of cables running across the river, running on pulleys that allow the punt not to run down to this ocean, and the punt has no motors and only runs on the river flow of the Mighty Clutha River. So it's a pretty awesome little design. It just depends on where the rudders are pointing, which then sends it across the river. Can take a little bit of effort to get the punt lined up with the dock on either side of the river, all depending on the flow and just how it meets the other side. Lunch today at the Greenfield Tavern I've never been to before. Quaint little place in the middle of absolutely nowhere.
Really all I used to do before I got a motorcycle.
much needed stop for the bikes, especially at the Tapanui fuel. The trouble was we had some real issues with the pumps working. I think maybe a little bit overloaded with just everyone wanting to gas and the pumps got confused. But thankfully we got the fuel on board and managed to travel on our way up over some beautiful rolling hills. The sound of Guzzi's altogether is just a beautiful sound. From the old to the new, modified to the originals. Part of this ride also included a dice run where you rolled the dice and the highest score was going to win at the end.
Oh, see? That's what happened to get violent.
Oh, the wind got it. 1-1.
Oh, look at that.
It wouldn't be a Guzzi ride if there wasn't some character issues with the machines. It's been an awesome 2 days, the Friday and Saturday before today, and Sunday today has just been icing on the cake really. Just beautiful. The weather has been perfect and it's just been great to ride with other people and enjoy this area. Heading back to Alexandra now where we shall have a feed and go back to the club and see who won the dice competition and chillax for the night. Well, another time walking up this hill, heading out of the Alexandra holiday park, heading down the road, catch up some people, have some tea, pop into the club, see what's going on there. Nothing official, I don't think, and just good to reflect on a bloody good weekend, man. Bloody good. It's good to meet people. We're all different people. That common denominator of 2-cylinder Moto Guzzi. I'm gonna keep walking because I've got 20 minutes. I think I can do it in 10.
Isabella, Mrs. Taylor. Please, must be hungry.
You're fit, don't you?
Hey, I'm fit.
Well, we'll move the table out.
Hey?
We'll move the table.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, hell. Burgers and chips.
We want to see which one of you two is more proficient at a quick tussle
Johnny,
in public. Highest score wins out of you two guys. Oh. Is it lowest score wins? I beg your pardon. 7. Oh. And here is
2.
5 scores. Congratulations, Johnny. What an absolute shit buddy hand.
Just to clarify, Elena and Canberra were on 17. The next person's wrong. 5.
Well, you're bad.
Okay, so looking amongst this lot, should we eliminate them one by one?
So what are we rating them on?
We're rating them on physical appearance.
Yeah.